Hello. Hello. Today I'm going to talk about straw bale gardening. It's a quick and easy, low maintenance way to grow your own vegetables and herbs with very little work. Don't mind me. Some weeds in the straw bale. Anyway, so what you want to do, it's very, very easy. What you want to do is go to your local feed store or farmer's market and pick up some straw bales. Clean ones, not hay. Hay does not hold the water as well as straw. It doesn't break down into compost as quickly or as nicely. So get straw. You want to decide where you want it. People with small yards, even in townhouses, you can have this kind of garden. It requires no tilling, and it looks nice. So you decide where you want to put it, you line up your straw bales, and this is how you start to take care of them. First, you want to condition. After you've decided where your bales will go, you want to start seasoning them. You want to get organic fertilizer. All plants, whether they're grown in the ground or in straw, need 4 things, and that's nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, and calcium. The method that I use, that's the easiest and fastest, is to water, feed, and wait. Day 1 through 4, you're simply going to water your straw bales. Be sure and set them on their sides with the cut ends up. And I'm going to show you a photo of that, illustrating that. That way the water seeps down into the bale and stays there. How much water do you need? Well, normally when it starts to come out of the bottom of the bale, you can stop. From day 5 through 10, you want to begin feeding a fertilizer. Now you can use liquid nitrogen, high nitrogen fertilizer mixed with your water, or you can also sprinkle slow release fertilizer on top of the bales. That will require you to water them every single day. You need to sprinkle enough fertilizer that it leaves a light coating on the top. If you're using the liquid fertilizer method, from day 5 through 10, you're going to add it every single day. Day 11 through 13, stop fertilizing and just water. By day 14, 15, your bales should be heating up. And that means there's composting going on inside. You can tell because there'll be mushrooms growing. You can see piles of dark black, it'll look like soil sprinkled on top of your bales. That's how you know you've done your job and things are cooking on the inside. And it's time to put your plants in. Okay, so what you want to start looking for to determine if your straw bales have been seasoned long enough. After watering and fertilizing, you want to reach down in here and you should feel some heat. All right, you can also pull it up and you can see the straw is slowly rotting. It's slowly turning into compost. And that's how you can tell. Corgis don't come with the straw bale garden. That's how you can tell that it's time to put your plants in, okay? So here is my straw bale garden today, and ignore the weeds because I'm lazy and I'm not going to pull up all that grass. But I knew it was ready for my plants when these guys started showing up, the mushrooms, which lets you know that there's some rotting going on underneath the surface, and that's when you know it's time to plant. So these straw bales have been out since April, the beginning of April. I put a little bit of fertilizer on top and watered them every day, but basically just let nature do its thing. Oops, butterfly. And these plants were put in probably a week ago. So you can see they're taking off really good. I have some baby tomatoes under there. That's my basil, that's more tomatoes. So this is a quick and easy way to have a garden if you have minimal space. It keeps the rabbits out of it. It looks pretty. And it is very easy. And once it's done, you just cut the strings on the straw and spread it around your yard as compost.